Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I wish to do an unboxing and review of the sound amp light. This is a combination device, so it includes a clock. If you just look at the specifications, we've got a clock, it's a speaker, it's also a multi-light. Obviously it can play Bluetooth, you can put auxiliary inputs into it. It'll play off USB and SD card, and I just want to do an unboxing and an overview of this so you can have a look. So let's have a look what's in the box. So in the box we have a micro USB to full USB cable and an auxiliary cable as well as a basic user manual, which is in English and Chinese. This is made in China. So what does it do? So you've got a clock on there, you've got a stereo speaker, it's a night light. You can obviously put other devices into it through the auxiliary input, USB, and it has a micro SD slot as well. But I'll show you that as we go along. But to be fair, I've had a look at this device and it's quite a nice looking device and quite interesting. So let's just open it up, take that packaging off, and then we can have a look at it in more detail. So at the top we have our controls for the volume, pause, go forward and back. The normal control you have for any sort of music player device. On the back we have an on and off button there. We have the input USB 5V micro USB slot for charging, which is there. We have an external mic, so you can connect this up to your phone. Auxiliary input, as I mentioned, so you can input other devices in and listen. You got USB and an SD card slot there. So that's the device in question. Let's just turn it on so you can have a look what it looks like with the clock on. There we go, it's coming on. That's the light. So in order to connect our phone up to the actual speaker is we press on Bluetooth, make sure it's turned on, select S8, and it should pair with the device. Now it says connected, so we should be able to play some music. So let's just find some music for you guys. You can turn the night light off quite easily by pressing the button, and it goes up in brightness, and finally to turn it off. Now you can change the actual colours on there, and I'll show you how you do that. Best thing to do is what you do is you hold and press there, and then you've got a light comes on, and then once you've done that, if you press again it moves it to different colours. And this is your night light, which is quite nice in your bedroom to give you some a nice good atmosphere regarding the various different moods you want to set in terms of the different colours. And there are other options for this which is in tune with the music. Now we do have volume and up, so obviously you can increase the volume. We can change the light design so it fades in and out. Now it is a 3-watt speaker, so it won't go very loud, but it is pretty decent. And it's Bluetooth, remember, so you can connect it to any device, whether it be iPhone or Android. That turns it off. turn it back on, different colours. Now if you want the white light back on, you just continue until you've turned it off. Then you hold down, brings the white light on, and you can change it to 3 levels of brightness. So if you want to read something on your bedside, you can do that. And obviously there you have a clock which is red in colour, and it's not a bad clock because according to the instructions you can set that to be an alarm clock. So all in all, for £15, this if it's labelled as touch sound amp, obviously you can see the rubber feet on there, so it does give it a bit of a vibration protection when it's on a flat surface. It's made in China. The model number is XGS001. Input DC 5 volt, 500 amps. Speaker driver is 5 watts, so it's pretty powerful. So is that the loudest we can get it? I'll just give you a selection of some music so you can listen to it. So there you go, this is the night light speaker that I found on eBay and Amazon. You can buy these for £15. I will put a link in the description box if this interests you. And to be honest with you, I am extremely surprised by the quality for something that is so cheap. And I will be sending this as a gift to a friend. But I just wanted to show you this product because I think it's not bad for the price. And if you're looking for a small night light to be on your bedside, this is the ideal product for you. and I hope this video helped you out. And thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the future. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoy videos like this, because more subscribers gives me more motivation to do these videos to help you out. And thank you for watching, and have a nice day.